Hi, I'm Brendan Goss. I'm the European Accelerator Manager with Tangent, Trinity College's Innovation and Entrepreneurship Centre. In collaboration with Altada, our industry partner, we're running the Alsessor AI Accelerator Programme. This programme is specially designed for founders who've got artificial intelligence solutions, and what we hope to do over the course of this 5-month bootcamp is to get them into a position where they become commercially more robust and more credible in front of investors and in front of customers with their AI solutions.
Bonafy is a regtech company, and we focus on digitizing and automating the due diligence and verification of pharmaceutical customers and suppliers. It's a very manual process today. I'm really excited to be on the Alsessor program. I feel that it's going to give us a really good jump start at kicking off our AI activities, mainly machine learning, which will really boost the value of our proposition.
My name's Evan. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Weave. We're an AI-based language acquisition company. So we weave foreign words into English sentences to allow our readers to learn language easier than ever before with a more natural, context-based approach. So for me, it's all about learning. I love taking in all the information I possibly can.
I'm Ronan. I'm from Cloda, and we're bringing e-commerce to the world's biggest chat apps. Alsessor is an opportunity for us to improve what we're doing on the machine learning side in particular, and it's a great opportunity for us to network with other companies and see what they're up to and learn as much as we can.
Hi, I'm Hannah Arthurs and I'm the founder of and we are an experiences recommendation platform that connects people to in-person experiences and live events in your city. I'm so excited to be a participant of the Alsessor program. I'm so excited to network with people, get to know my future customers, and hopefully push out a product out there for you guys.
My name is Jason P. Rothberg from Zavatar. We create real-time reactionary avatars and real-time reactionary animation. Being part of the Alsessor program means so much to us. The mentorships, the possibility of funding and guidance is more than I could have asked for.
Hey there, my name is Eric and I am here representing Play, Learn, Develop. And at Play, Learn, Develop, we aim at facilitating the use of data to create employee-driven and data-driven decisions that support corporate transformation. Well, first of all, I'm super happy to have been chosen to be here in Alsessor, and what I'm really looking forward is to connect to professionals in the artificial intelligence area and to develop the artificial intelligence model that is going to help us create predictions about the employees in organization.
Hi, my name is Shona Darcy and I'm the founder of Kids Speech Labs. We are using data and technology to really rethink how we manage children's speech and language development. We were delighted to be accepted on the Alsessor program. It's a really unique opportunity to help us develop our AI roadmap with some excellent mentors and people who've been there before.
My name is Dan Pender and I'm the business lead for Resonance Capital. We are a new age platform that will provide trading advice that's data driven to retail investors. So the thing I'm looking forward to most in the Alsessor program is meeting like-minded individuals so that we can bounce ideas off of each other and critique each other and learn from that and grow from it, as well as being able to learn things from people who have a lot of experience in this kind of thing.
Hi there, my name is Amy Awad. I'm the Chief Science Officer of Mind. We are a digital voice diary powered by AI to improve mental health and well-being. In a nutshell, the next Fitbit for emotional health. We are very excited to be part of this program, especially with the high competition in the field of AI.
I'm Dr. Vinod Malik, CEO and co-founder of Zonitas, an AI-driven critical care communication platform for healthcare professionals, connecting healthcare when it matters the most. I'm elated to be part of the Tangent program. Zonitas is one of the successful companies that has been selected. We are very delighted to have this opportunity to work with the Tangent program over the next coming weeks as we continue our startup journey.